How to make slip stitches. The slip stitch is like the little sister of the single crochet. You insert your hook just like for a single crochet and pull up the yarn. But this time, you'll pull the yarn directly through the loop already on the hook. Insert the hook, pull up the yarn, pull it through the loop. Insert the hook, pull up the yarn, pull it through the loop. And you can clearly see the difference with the single crochet here. It's much shorter. We mostly use it to create borders. Insert, pull through the loop. Insert, pull through the loop. Whereas with the single crochet, you pull through both loops.